They say these amazing things sometimes. They're really quite profound. We were on a school trip the other week, and there's this really solemn little kid called Thomas. He was frowning, staring out the window. I asked him what was the matter. And he said, well, where's the trip? And I said, well, it's the coach, and it's the road, and it's the houses flying by the window. I said, it's the whole thing. It's us. And he looks at me and he goes, oh, well, that's all right then. I thought I'd missed it.
You know, I wish I'd had a teacher like you. I wish. Come on, let's go down to the edge.
That's a nice car.
You like it?
Yeah, that's a great car.
All right, then.
What? Up, we're on the move.
Just stand here for a second, okay?
What you doing? B.
Come on, get in.
Ah, very funny, B. Come on, please.
Come on, quick, please. I think it's best. They might be looking for the other car by now.
Christ, you stole the other car?
I borrowed it. Come on, get the fuck in.
No, B.
Look, Alan, I want you to have this car just for a little while, okay? It's all part of the trip, all right?
Get out of the car.
Get the fuck in, Alan.
Christ. Oh.